deflect multiple strikes simultaneously.
Then we'll hit them from both sides.
Agreed.
Captain, an attack from only 2 vectors would be insufficient to compromise their shield grid.
If not 2. What about 3? Lieutenant Shipwide. All decks, this is the captain. We are about to undergo a risky procedure, one which we have never before attempted. Chief Engineer Scott will be performing a reset of our engines. As a precaution, Commander Spock will take charge of the main bridge, while I assume command of the secondary hull. We will then coordinate with the Hawk's Talon to execute a 3-pronged attack against the Congo. All non-emergency personnel are to evacuate to the primary hull immediately. Prepare to jettison the drive section.
All personnel, prepare for star drive section jettison. All personnel,
Captain,
prepare for star drive section
even if we are
jettison.
successful, it will be extremely difficult to reconnect the secondary hull.
Difficult, but not impossible, Spock. Use impulse power to keep at a safe distance. I'll be relying on thrusters only. Mr. Sulu! I'll need a driver.
You know, I've always wanted to try this.
All hands to battle stations. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill.
Commander, the Congo is powering up its impulse engines.
Understood. Spock to Captain Kirk. All systems ready.
Main bridge, stand by.
Those are EPS connections, sealing turbo shafts and Jeffries tubes.
Sulu, I hope you remember your simulator sessions.
What simulator sessions?
Secondary hull
Commander,
has been
the
jettisoned.
Congo's moving toward the star drive
Secondary hull
section.
has been
Ready
jettisoned.
phasers. Load torpedo tubes. You may fire at will.
Captain, the saucers engaged the Congo.
Let's buy Scotty more time.
Lana, all 3 ships are attacking.
Stay with them.
Which one?
It's working, sir. The power levels are dropping.
Keep at it. Maintain barrage.